Number 3. COMFEE Portable Dishwasher. Introducing the Countertop Dishwasher, a compact and efficient solution for small space living. Designed with convenience in mind, this dishwasher requires only 5 liters of water for a normal cycle, thanks to its built-in water tank. In addition, it can be easily connected to your kitchen faucet using the included water hose. Despite its small size, this countertop dishwasher has a surprising capacity. It can wash more than 30 items at a time, accommodating plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter. The adjustable shelves and sliding racks make loading and unloading a breeze. Equipped with 6 program options, including normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass washing, and a hygiene program, this dishwasher offers versatility to meet your daily needs. The hygiene program is particularly useful for heavily soiled dishes and baby bottles, as it boosts water temperature up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit for a deep clean. Not only does this countertop dishwasher clean your dishes effectively, but it also features an air refresh function. This extra drying mode removes excess moisture and odors, keeping your plates and machine fresh. The ultra-compact design ensures it will fit into any small space, making it a great addition to small houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers. To note, it is recommended to use standard dishwasher powders or detergents for optimal performance. Standard liquid dish soap should be avoided as it may cause issues with the dishwasher. The fruit program does not require detergent, and the rapid program only requires half the standard amount.